Alright, here's a quick outside video of the 2016 Forest River Vengeance Touring Edition. This has the triple side 6 jacks, 3 on each side, full body paint. Everything is in outstanding astounding. It's perfect. You have this automatic leveler thing there, your cutoff switch, all your tank fills, automatic shower or outside shower. This has a 55 Onan generator, the EVAP one. You have the trail hitch special ride, some sort of ride special thing on this. You have an awning here. You have an awning on the other side of that slide there, and one in the back. Satellite TV. There's your battery. This looks like it goes all the way through. Model number 38L12. Stereo out here. And I'll take a picture of the back there with it down. Let me go inside now.